Hey guys, Ryan here with Thanks.io. I've had this idea for a while to build a don't scan this QR postcard and test it out. So I figured I'd walk through how to do it. First thing I'm doing is I'm going over to the image templates over here, over on the left side. Go to image templates, and then we've got this to hidden feature. We need to move this, but if you go to dynamic images here in the middle, and you choose image builder, we've got our dynamic postcard builder, and I've been using this to build most of my postcards lately, and it definitely is too hidden. You got to go try it out if you haven't tried it out again, and you'll see why in a minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this don't scan this, and then I'm going to use this template down at the bottom right, and you can inject a map or street view of the home, but I'm actually going to just hack this up a little bit, and I'm going to use my screencasting tool to take a white picture, save it to my hard drive, and then I'm going to upload just a plain white image here. Less is better with this particular campaign. You'll see what I'm doing there in a minute. I just want to get rid of the picture that's down at the lower right. And then my header is going to say, whatever you do, don't scan this QR code. And my subheader will be seriously, don't do it. All right, and then my QR code is going to redirect to a video of me talking about Thanks.io's QR code feature, which is, this is going to get a little meta in that sense, but you could use this for whatever you're doing. You just have it redirect to whatever the offer is. But of course, the marketing element or the marketing technique we're playing on here is just curiosity, and the fact that you're doing almost like an NLP embedded command. When you're saying don't do something, our brains want to do it. I don't know if you'd call it reverse psychology, or it's just it registers in our brain as a command, and you almost can't help scanning it. So I'm just going to type youtube.com for now. I need to make the video that people are going to go to afterwards, but you can put any URL you want right there. And you can actually, it's probably even better, just click use message QR, and it'll just use the QR code in the actual message side, which I'm going to create in a minute. So there's that. Now the logo URL, you can either put a logo in or not. I'll just use Thanks.io's logo. Right click. Just go to our home page, right click, copy image address, come back over here and just put my URL in and then generate preview, and this will all start to make a little bit of sense. So it says, whatever you do, don't scan this QR code. Don't do it. Seriously, don't do it. All right. So nothing else, right? It just says that we've got our logo, which happens to be our URL. That might be good, but I could even, just remove that totally. So this is good. I'm going to save it right here. I want to mention before I go, I know I'm jumping around, I could do first name. Personalize it a little more. I can embed the first name. Whatever you do, don't scan this QR code like that, and it'll embed their first name. Okay, so that's the image side. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the message side, and I'm going to click Add Message, and I'm going to keep this very simple. Don't scan this. My URL will be the YouTube video, which I'll go and add later, and I'll just say, hi, please don't scan the QR code. Whatever you do, don't scan it. Seriously. Don't scan. I don't know. Having a little fun. And I'll just say, Ryan, thanks. So this will be the weirdest postcard somebody gets in a while. Kind of funny here. Over on the right, you can see I have Shelley Levine from Mitch and Murray, Glengarry Glen Ross. I was playing around with our branding builder. I need to get that off of there and put my actual branding on there, which I'll do after. But yeah, that's it. That is the message. Please don't scan. I'll choose a different handwriting. Just in case you're not used to Thanks.io, just know you can choose a different font right up here. There we go. You can also change the ink color in the settings up at the gear at the top right. You can get in there and change it to blue. So, hi, first name, please don't scan the QR code. Whatever you do, don't scan it. Save message template. So that's done. So who would I send this to? Well, I can build a quick mailing list. In our case, for Thanks.io, we're a B2B company. We want other business owners to sign up. So I might use our radius search functionality right here. And I might say, hey, I'll just pick a central area, pick my home address here, and let's do 200 people, but we are going to do people who own businesses. So we are going to do only businesses, new business. We'll do new businesses, and I'm going to use the property owner's address, which is a really cool feature. So it'll go to their house, not the actual business. And then I can append the email and phone if I want. I'm not going to do that because I don't plan on emailing or calling these people, but I can for 20 cents a record. And I'm just going to click buy mailing list. So for $9.85, I'll get 200 records, and I can mail them as much as I want. I don't have to keep buying the data each time. So I'll click buy mailing list, like so. I am going to want to immediately, when I buy a mailing list, just change the list up here at the top left, and I'll just say 200 business owners near client's house. You call it whatever you want, right? So in a few minutes, this will kind of all filter in here, and then I can click the Send Now button, and I will do a postcard. Click that image that I just made. I'll select my template. I don't scan this template, like so. Like so. And save and continue, and then I will just choose my existing list to send to. This is pretty straightforward. Save and continue down at the bottom, and that is it. I can get this out. Now the whole idea here is that anytime somebody doesn't scan the QR code, we know they're going to, it's going to go to a YouTube video with me basically explaining our QR code functionality and why they should be using it in their business and things like that. But you might use the QR code for whatever. You know, you can have a lot of fun with this. They can go to a YouTube video or page on your website. It's like, hey, told you not to scan it. But since you did, I wanted to tell you about my list of investment opportunities in York, Pennsylvania that I put out every Saturday. And if you'd like to receive that, go ahead and give me a text at this number. Something like that. Whatever it is you're selling, you can twist the, hey, you shouldn't have scanned that, but since you did, let me tell you about the thing I'm selling. So that's that. Just a quick demo of Thanks.io's custom dynamic postcard builder with trackable QR codes, and a little look at how you can implement and send campaigns out here with a taste of our radius search mailing builder. If you're not already a Thanks.io user, what you're going to want to do, I'll show you how to become one. You're going to go over to Thanks.io. You're going to pop your email in here. You'll get $10 in sending credits, totally for free to get started. If you'd like some samples, you can also get those as well. Just click on the video, and then next to the video,
welcome to this quick demo.
There's my voice again. Next to that, you can click the Get Samples in the Mail and get some samples as well. So thanks for watching this video of the Don't Scan This QR Code thing idea here that I had from Thanks.io.